Hello class 10th beta. This is your poem from First Flight, Dust of Snow. This poem has been written by Robert Frost, and Robert Frost believes that in his whole life he believed that all natural aspects, even society takes them or seems them as ominous, that is ashubh, they all are useful in the life of human being. They cast the positive effect over the life of the human being. Even a rotten thing of nature which has been created or given by nature gives the positive effect in the life of nature. Nothing is waste in the life of nature for the human being. Nature is in all way beneficial and blessing for the human being. So here writer writes that the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Rude means you will find to last day to spend time by sitting in sorrow, thinking about any sorrow, sadness, etc. So the here look here, the way a crow, the way means in this way, in the sorry, first of all you understand what is dust of snow. Dust means small particles like powder of snow, means related to snow or created by snow, means small powder, rough powder, crushed powder of the snow which has fallen from the sky, you can say from the heaven as a blessing. In this poem you will find dust of snow, one character, second one is crow, and third one is hemlock tree. And you will find, you know very well that snow is the symbol of negativeness. No one likes to be in surrounding of snow. No one will like to face the snow. Snow is the symbol of hazardous problems in literature, even in by anyone. Crow is also symbol of ominousness, negative energy. Hemlock tree is also poisonous tree. No one uses in his writing or anywhere. No one likes to have hemlock tree in his surrounding. But here poet uses all these three: crow, dust of snow, hemlock tree. All these negative things, negative having negative aspect as a positive, and he says the way a crow means the way means the manner a crow means a crow shook down on me. Shook down means made fall. On me means on him, that is on the poet, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Means poet is going in dejected mood in this lesson. In this poem, poet is going somewhere in dejected mood, disappointed mood, in sorrowful mood, and he is saying that when he was going in dejected and disappointed mood, thinking, regretting his day, then meanwhile what happened? Suddenly a crow shook down, means made fall on him crushed powder or small particles of snow from the hemlock tree. Means crow was sitting on the hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is like a shrub. Crow was sitting there on the hemlock tree, and when poet was passing from there, from near the hemlock tree, suddenly crow fluttered his wings and thus made fall down the dust of snow on the poet. So poet wants to say that such little things, small creatures, the crow, hemlock tree, these both are of small size, small existence, and they are trying to keep them alive, energetic in such crisis day, negative day, that is in the season of dust of snow, when snow is falling all around. And in such situation, both are trying to maintain their existence in such situation. Then why should not we, being a human being, be positive. Why should we lose our day by ruining or smashing, losing only by regretting? Then further says, has given my heart a change of mood. Means poet is कहना कि he was in dejected mood. He was going in the way in dejected and disappointed mood. And suddenly, meanwhile, what happened? That crow shook down on him, made fall on him the dust of snow. And when dust of snow falls on him, suddenly his attention goes towards that crow, that hemlock tree, and he finds that both were trying to maintain their existence in such negative day, in critical day when snow is falling. Because when snow covers each and everything, then they got dry, they are crushed by snow. But hemlock tree and crow both are trying to maintain. Crow is trying to flutter his wings to keep away the adverse effect of snow. Hemlock tree is also there in support of the crow, and thus when dust of snow falls on the poet, then by falling has given his heart. My heart means his heart, poet's heart, a change of mood. Means as soon as the dust of snow falls on the poet, his attention goes towards the crow, hemlock tree, and dust of the snow, and finds that when nature is positive, nature is blessing as a dust of snow, then why should he ruin his whole day? Why should he be disappointed, negative towards his days and life? So his mood changed, got changed his mood, and he started to think positive and saved some part. And when he started to think positive, then he determined to do some positive thing, to be active towards his duties, and decided that he would not lose his day by regretting, being disappointed, hopeless whole day. And of a day I had ruled, and saved some part of a day, and rest days of his life were saved from being rude, from being destroyed, from being lost. And thus poet became positive, became active towards his activity, and he determined to do in positive way. He determined to live his life positively by doing some positive act in the favor of life for his life. Thus this poem, according to literal meaning, this poem has this sense whatever I have described, but this meaning has this poem has metaphorical meaning also. Actually what poet wants to show, because when dust of snow fell on him, dust of snow fell on him, shook down on him is fell on him, and on meanwhile, just when the dust of snow fell on him, in meanwhile this little moment, small moment, बहुत ही छोटा कम क्षण, changed, brought a great change in the life of poet. Here poet is representing the whole human being. And the time when the crow shook down the dust of snow on him from the hemlock tree, this is showing the moment, chhad. And while in a little bit moment when dust of snow fell on him for a moment, and in meanwhile in less moment, small moment, his life got changed. He determined to be positive, he determined to do something more positive, and he did so. He became positive, he did so, and a small moment brought a great change in his life. And also a small moment can be brought change in the life of whole human race. So we should take each and every moment positively. We don't know which moment, which particular moment will bring change in our life, but if we become energetic, positive each and every moment, which is the duty of human being, we human race, then any moment might be a factor which may or might bring a great change in our life, and thus we become, or can achieve a great thing in our life. Thank you.